Hey there, early birds and night owls. Welcome back to English Daily Practice with Emma and Jack. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We are so happy to have you here. And you know what our golden rule is? Practice daily, speak naturally.
Today we are talking about daily routines, but wait, let me ask you a quick question first. Are you the type of person who jumps out of bed at 5 a.m. or do you hit the snooze button 10 times? Jack, what about you?
Oh, definitely the snooze button. In fact, my morning today was a complete disaster.
Oh no, what happened?
Last night, I set my alarm for 6 a.m. I wanted to be that perfect internet guy who goes for a run and drinks green smoothies. But this morning, I woke up, looked at the clock, and it was 7:30 a.m. Oh my goodness, my heart literally dropped into my stomach. I was this close to crying. Seriously, I was on the verge of tears.
Oh my gosh, Jack, what did you do?
I had only 15 minutes to get ready. I was so panicked that I accidentally put my t-shirt on backward. Yes, the tag was in the front.
But wait, this gets worse. Whispers to the audience. Listen to this, guys. Jack came to the studio today wearing 2 different socks. One is black and one is pink.
Hey, don't tell everyone. But yes, it's true. It was a crazy morning. If you ever have a messy morning like mine, don't worry, you are in the right place. Today, we will learn simple, real-life English from these exact moments. Let's dive in.
Now, let's listen to a real conversation between 2 friends. They are having a quick chat about their mornings.
First, let's listen to their conversation super slowly. Focus on every single word.
Oh, no. You look dead tired. What time did you wake up?
Oh, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. But today, my alarm didn't ring.
That is bad. What did you do next? Did you skip breakfast?
Yes, completely. I just grabbed a coffee to go, brushed my teeth, and rushed out the door.
Well, at least your teeth are clean. Now let's challenge your ears. Let's listen to the exact same conversation, but at a natural speed. This is how native speakers talk in real life when they are in a hurry. Oh no, you look dead tired. What time did you wake up?
Oh, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m., but today my alarm didn't ring.
That is bad. What did you do next? Did you skip breakfast?
Yes, completely. I just grabbed a coffee to go, brushed my teeth, and rushed out the door.
Well, at least your teeth are clean.
Fantastic. Now, let's look closer at 3 awesome phrases from the dialogue. But this time, Emma and I are making it a little bit harder for you. Phrase 1, dead tired, extremely tired.
The first phrase is dead tired. In conversational English, the word dead means very. So dead tired simply means extremely tired.
Here is a quick question for you. How do you feel after a 10-hour working day? Do you feel dead tired? I bet you do.
All right, time for a mini challenge. How do you say I am dead tired in English? Say it now before I do. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I am dead tired. Did you say it before me? You did an amazing job. Phrase 2, grabbed a coffee to go. Takeaway coffee.
Our second phrase is grabbed a coffee to go. The phrase to go means you buy food or drinks at a shop, but you take it with you to work or school. You don't sit down at the cafe. Native speakers use this every day.
Pronunciation tip, the 2 sounds short, like ta. Grabbed a coffee to go. Our third phrase is rushed out the door. The word rushed means moving very, very fast because you do not have time.
Wait, stop right there. Let's do another real-time challenge. How do you say I rushed out the door in English? Say it now before I do. Go! Boom! I rushed out the door. Wow, your memory is absolutely incredible.
Now it is your turn to speak. Repeat after us out loud when we stop talking. You have 4 seconds for each sentence. Speak with confidence.
Sentence 1, you look dead tired.
Awesome! Use that tired voice. You look dead tired.
Sentence 2, my alarm didn't ring.
Sentence 3, I grabbed a coffee to go.
Sentence 4, I rushed out the door.
Before we say goodbye, let's do our full review. Listen to the whole conversation one last time at natural speed.
See how much better your ears understand the real-life phrases now?
Oh no, you look dead tired. What time did you wake up?
Oh, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m., but today my alarm didn't ring.
That is bad. What did you do next? Did you skip breakfast?
Yes, completely. I just grabbed a coffee to go, brushed my teeth, and rushed out the door.
Well, at least your teeth are clean.
Outstanding! You just finished another amazing lesson. You practiced your speaking and you did a great job.
And hey, remember Jack's crazy morning with his pink and black socks? Well, right before we started recording this podcast, I finally realized that he also forgot to brush his hair. Yes, his hair looks exactly like a bird's nest right now. But hey, at least we learned some fun English together, right?
Hey, it's a new fashion style, Emma. Anyway, here is your homework challenge for today. Tomorrow morning, when you leave your house, say out loud, "I am rushing out the door."
If you love practicing with us, please click the subscribe button right now, leave a comment below, and answer our question. Are you an early bird or a night owl?
Thank you for listening to English Daily Practice with Emma and Jack.
And always remember, practice daily, speak naturally. Have a beautiful day, and see you next time. Bye-bye.